Math 1 or 2, example 2.3.2. So now let's graph piecewise functions. I'm going to start by graphing each line individually. So y equals x plus 2, my y-intercept is positive 2, and then my slope is 1, so it's going to look about like that. So there's x plus 2. And then x minus 2, similarly, is going to be down in here. And we can use our calculator to graph those pieces individually if we're not sure what they look like. Now again, we don't want the entire graph. We only want part of each graph. So the first one, I only want that where x is less than or equal to 0. So here is 0, less than or equal to 0. That means I want this left side. So this side I'm making nice and dark. That's the sign I want. Now at 0 itself, I'm going to put a closed circle shaded in because I would like to include that. And I'm making my circle nice and big so you can see it. Now similarly for x minus 2, I'd like that where x is greater than 0. So that means I want this right-hand side that I'm shading in nice and dark. And at 0 itself, we're not including it, so I'm going to put a big open circle. Again, I'm making that rather large just so you can see it. So this dark graph with the blue, that's the part I want. Everything else I drew was just to give me an idea of what it should look like. This is a function, which means it should pass a vertical line test. So if I draw vertical lines, I'm only hitting the graph one time. At 0 itself, we're only including where it's closed, so we do pass at x equals 0 as well.